subscribed to the kit or you're thinking about getting the kit, you have got in the kit an entire album. We have got the mixed flowers, the lace flowers. We have got our summer holiday little pocket pack. You can buy these as well as separately, which is the 6x4 pocket packs. They're perfect for the albums. The creative cuts. These are the vellum inserts for summer holiday, and they go in the album and they are amazing. Of course, you've got the magazine, which is this full of ideas and instructions. This is the wooden laser cut. 2 cut apart sheets, your regular one and a watercolor one, and of course the 12x12 collection pack. So that is all the summer holiday stuff.